Hey guys, so we got a quick update, or maybe not we, but I got a quick update for y'all, and maybe not really even an update, I'm not really sure. But we got a bunch of things that we need to take care of around the lab. For instance, so we got to get this bad boy packed up to be sent out. So you may remember that's from the R710 video that we did versus, well, not really versus, but the R710 video and Dell T30 video for the backup server. We got to get these bezels mailed out, and also this RAM I'm giving away. So I have to get this packed up to be sent out to somebody today as well. So we got a lot going on. Working on a video right now. Well, not like right now, but working on a video about Google Fiber and that whole setup. And I've kind of messed up the lab a little bit because of that, and just generally making a mess of things. So I really can't think of what else to update you guys with. But I think you guys really like these small little vlog update videos, even though there's nothing really relevant in them. But we have some big things coming up. So I'll be moving towards the end of February instead of late March like originally planned. So we might be able to go check out the new place as soon as they give us keys or whatever. But it's probably going to be another 4 weeks until we actually get keys to the new place. And then of course, we're actually going to try and set up the lab so it's just not all messy, because right now the lab, everything's just kind of slapped together. It's all here and there. I didn't even bother cleaning the tape off from when we moved here, and everything's just kind of messy, and there's nothing on the walls, nothing to really look at. It's really plain Jane. And I want to alleviate that, because when we move, the new place will be pretty long term, I hope, and it's not going to be a short term 4 months, 5 months, 5 months. I think we were here for 5 months, kind of thing. So that way, there's more to look at. The videos are hopefully a little bit more interesting because there's a lot more going on in the background and all of that jazz. So anyway, I got to get this stuff sent out. It's before 8 a.m. Central Time, so. I'll see you guys soon. All that blah, 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 blah. Peace out.